wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever. We lie in it.
Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace. In my channel, I upcycle furniture and other items, and as you can see, I am Czech obsessed, so a big percentage of what you will see will be Czech sort of related. So for now, without further ado, let's get started. I got this picture from a marketplace. I'll explain to you at the end of the video how much I actually paid for it, but I thought it was really interesting and I wanted to do something different. Now, I've never tried this before. This is going to be a shot in the dark, so let's see what happens. It has some trees and it has a lamp post over there, and it has another lamp post over here, and the rest is sort of trees and a city in the background. It's kind of daylight kind of peeking through. It's a beautiful piece, but you know what? I have no use for it as is. So I'm going to try something a little bit crazy. I mean, for what I paid for it, it's all worth it. The lampshade is here. This is the top of the lampshade, as you can see. And the other one is over here. They're extremely light and very easy to miss. So I'm going to just pop a little bit of color, make sure that it can be seen or brighter. Now, I don't know, guys, how this is going to turn out, so we're just trying something. I don't mind trying something, and if it works, fine. If it doesn't, that's okay. We'll know better for next time. I want you to know that. Don't be afraid. Try it, right? Now, could you see the difference on that? That looks much better than this one, because you can barely see it, right? Just a reminder, you don't want to do this to a Picasso, right? Now, I do want to have some Mackenzie Childs inspired trees. Why not?
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head?
I have this mustardy yellow. I'm going to kind of add a little flame in there. There wasn't one before, but I think it would be kind of nice to put one in there. There you go. I like it.
There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her?
I just wanted to show you that you can have fun with anything. If something's already made and you just like a certain pattern, why not try something else? And of course, this is not by any means perfect, nor is it meant to be. It's just meant to be fun. I purchased something on Marketplace, and when I went to pick it up, the lady was going to throw this picture out, and she said if I wanted it, so I said sure. I looked at it. It wasn't really my, it wouldn't fit what I was looking for, but I thought, hey, I can really do something with this and just have fun with it. So I wanted to show you that you can take anything and really just add something more to it. Add something you like. And that was the purpose of this video. I decided that I would add some Mackenzie Childs inspired trees down the walkway, and I accented the lamp here. Let me show you one. I accented the lamp, and I did the fire or the lit fire in there. These lamps here had a different shape, so I just accented that in white. So there you go. Have fun with whatever you see. Don't be afraid to take chances. Love it, embrace it. If you don't love it, it's okay. Go on to something else. Don't let it break you. Just keep trying. This table for a dear friend of mine, and she's going to be using this as a night table. I've made 2 of them for her. It's going to look stunning in her space. This is what she requested, the checks on top, just very lightly. This gorgeous, stunning red here, and of course the touches of gold. And she wanted polka dots, of course, there in the front and the bottom. Now I'm going to show you the mirror and see how it looks together. My goodness, would you look at this set? Oh, my heart's beating. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, be kind, take care of each other. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing week, and remember that you want to reach a point in your life where you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. Take care of each other.